Hi, my name is Allison First, and I'm here with my mom. And today we are going to try and separate the salt and pepper using a plastic spoon. So, Mom, do you think we can separate salt and pepper only using a plastic spoon?
I'm thinking no. I'm thinking it's too hard to separate the individual grains of the salt and the pepper once they're combined with a big spoon like that.
So, if you were to separate them, though, how would you do it? How do you think you would do it?
I think I would separate it maybe by water. I think if you add them into the water, the salt will dissolve into the water, leaving the pepper.
Okay, so you think by adding the water, the salt is going to dissolve and basically disappear, only leaving the pepper?
Yes.
Okay, well, let's grab some water and let's try it. So, we have a glass, and you can put in some salt and pepper. Okay.
Okay, and I'll add some water. Okay. Now you see, the salt dissolved, leaving the pepper.
Okay, now, I understand your thinking, but is the salt still in the water?
Yes.
So did you really separate the salt and the pepper?
Oh no. You're right. I didn't. It's still together.
Yeah, right?
It's just in a different form now, yes.
Alright, so how are we going to separate it?
I guess you need a strainer. You gotta strain the pepper out, evaporate the water, and you're left with the salt again.
Let's try something a little bit simpler.
Okay.
Okay, so we have a nice plate. We're going to put some salt on the plate.
Do you want me to hold the plate up or no?
Okay. And then we're going to put some pepper on the plate. Okay. Now, I'm going to pull out a handy-dandy blanket. I'm going to rub my spoon on the blanket. Okay. And if you want...
Oh, that's amazing. It's really working.
You see all the pepper picking up on the spoon, and salt is the only thing left on the plate. So,
That was amazing.
how did that work?
I guess something with static electricity.
Okay, but why did it only pick up the pepper and not the salt?
I'm not exactly sure. I'm going to guess, looking at it, the grains of the pepper seem smaller.
Mm-hmm. If you feel the salt, what can you feel about the salt compared to the pepper?
Yes, it's very grainy, whereas the pepper is more light and airy, like you can smell it in the air, the pepper.
Okay, so what do you think? Why do you think the spoon then was able to pick up the pepper?
I guess because the pepper is lighter. I mean, you actually saw the pepper leaving the plate and like going up to the...
So the pepper is less dense.
Okay.
And the salt is more dense. Therefore, the spoon couldn't pick up the salt because it was too heavy for the static to pick it up. Now, what did the blanket have to do with the spoon? Why did I need the blanket? If I just had the spoon up, I wouldn't have been able to pick anything up.
I guess it put the static electricity or gave it that static charge.
Yeah, so when I rubbed it, positive ions rubbed onto the spoon, and so I was able to move the spoon to the pepper.
And there goes
and then the pepper attached to the spoon. So, to prove that pepper is less dense than salt. Let's go back to your water activity that you tried. So if I put salt in the water, see, it goes right to the bottom.
It's going right to the bottom.
But if I put pepper in, it floats right on top.
Right on top.
So what does that say about the pepper?
Yes, pepper is lighter than the salt.
So, therefore, the spoon can pick up the pepper and not the salt.
Oh, that was amazing. Good job, Bonnie. I am impressed.
Do you have any more questions about it?
Not that I can think of, but it's still floating on the top.
See? Salt on the bottom, pepper on top. Because the pepper is less dense. Science. Thanks, Mom. Say bye.
Bye, everyone. Nice job, Bonnie.